Here we are in the process of unwrapping the spacecraft battery. You have to keep it clean since it is in with the spacecraft. As you can see, the battery itself is primarily used to provide energy to the spacecraft during the eclipses, which occur twice a year. At this point in time, we're installing a fixture on top of the battery so that we can lift the battery up in order to align it and put it on the spacecraft panel where it will reside. The reason we have to use a fixture and a crane in this particular case is because the weight of the battery itself is on the order of 90 to 95 pounds. We have to be very careful as we move the battery in towards the panel in order to avoid any damage to electronics that are very close by. Once we have the battery in close to the panel, it's aligned for all of the mounting bolt holes, and bolts are installed and torqued down in order to hold the battery securely in place on the panel. Once all the bolts are installed, the battery is there on the panel and ready to provide all the energy SDO needs. And there you have it.